Let's start with Marriott here. The hotel chain is getting into the home share market to take on Airbnb, according to the Wall Street Journal. Marriott will reportedly be the first major hotel company to create a U.S. home rental platform. Yahoo Finance's Heidi Cheung is tracking that story for us. And Heidi, for years we have heard the big hotel chains say, Airbnb is not a big threat. They have a different customer base. Now it sounds like they're changing their tune just a bit.
Yeah, it's honestly a little bit of, if you can't beat them, let's join them. An Airbnb spokesperson actually responding to when they were asked how they feel about competition entering the space, the spokesperson saying, quote, "Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, and we welcome them to the party and wish them bon voyage." So a little bit of a clapback there as these big, larger chains look to jump into the space. But a lot of, like you mentioned, a lot of these hotel chains have been kind of ignoring the threat that is Airbnb. But Marriott had launched a pilot program over the past year all over Europe. They had about 500 different home offerings at the time. That pilot program was pretty successful, so they're looking to launch home and villas. So they're going to be offering about 2,000 different properties around 100 different countries, and they're going to require about a 3-night minimum stay. But the way that this is going to work is that Marriott will be partnering with different property management companies. So Marriott won't be involved in necessarily the day-to-day activities such as cleaning and dealing with all of the transactions with the customers. But the Marriott's chief commercial officer did say, though, that the property management companies will pay them a platform fee. They didn't exactly disclose how the commission structure is going to work there, but Marriott Bonvoy is their loyalty program, so the customers that do use the home and villa properties will be able to get those really, really coveted Marriott points there.
So Heidi, we've got Marriott going into Airbnb space, and Airbnb, on the other hand, moving increasingly into the hotel space. We had that acquisition of Hotel Tonight last month, and now they are announcing a partnership with a major New York developer.
Yeah, so they're partnering with RXR Properties, and they're going to be launching their first ever hotel-style luxury suites. So the way that Marriott is really posing this is that they're saying that this is not really like Airbnb at all, because Airbnb is geared towards people who don't necessarily want to spend a lot of money. But these properties that they're going to start out with here in Manhattan at the Rockefeller Plaza, they are going to be luxury suites. They're going to be run like hotels, but like Marriott, like Airbnb is going to be the platform. So people will have to go to the Airbnb site to make reservations for these places. But quite like how Marriott is running home and villas, people will have to go through property management companies for the day-to-day issues.
Okay, we'll see which side wins out there. The wars continue between Airbnb and some of the big hotel chains. Thanks for that, Heidi.